Gee, it's great to be back home. Always where I wanna be. I've been on the road so long, my friend. It's the same old yearning. So we got the ganja leaf, which is probably just the same, just take off that top layer and leave it as it is. And we're eventually getting around to the bits. With this one, I did polish it a bit harder, a bit more effort went into it. So we've done the RS, we've done the 81, another doodly-doo, another Batman and another Superman, another Ganji, and the bit you're all waiting for was the 45. I haven't drilled on it. There's a lot of yeses and nos on this one, I'm afraid. It was bent. See the bend? I could put it in a press and press it, but this stuff is so fragile. One mistake and you've actually it'll just snap. So now, as I was telling you before, the China photographers are better than anybody we know, because this is what I got. In the photo, it looks like they're holding this like that. Like that. So, you know, it'll be alright on the night, I should dare say, but so I have got this up and running, and this does quite a good job, I know. I didn't want this shining like there was no tomorrow. I didn't want it like, you know, a chrome gun. I just wanted it old tatty looking thing. If you remember, I did this one for Alfie. This is a inch tube. I did that for Alfie, but it come back because the handles fell off. And of course, you all see my my Thompson machine gun there. So A, yes, B, no, C. It's a short video just to show you how I do try to polish these things up to a degree. And I got a fluck one of my coffee now. And I'm happy with RSN. I mean, that came out quite nice. It's a shiny little mother. So we're happy with that. The rest I'm leaving as is. Pointless shining a door number up. I'll get that back in there. We'll polish that up and see what that comes up like. And then that's the end of the video, and just showing you you know, it all goes back in there. Wherever danger's there, you'll be there. Danger mass. I don't know. happens. This is an experiment.